main problem we had was figuring out how to reduce our tax liability and the amount of tax we pay, generate some more passive income. Without a strategy, I would have ended up paying a lot more tax, which would have meant that I had a lot less income and passive income. And by retirement, I'd looked at multiple property investments and how to minimize the capital gains on those properties, especially when it comes time to sell and if we retire. And we looked at the structure of different SMSFs and how they're saving money. The modeling we looked at it was over $300,000 saving in tax, and yeah, so $300,000 more in my pocket. It comes down to the fact that it's a no-brainer. If you look at the numbers, which we all should as investors, saving $300,000 for some simple strategies and structures, that you can easily implement, it's just a no-brainer.